If your texture look like this in Unreal, tiling, repeating, breaking the realism, I'm gonna show you how to fix it for free using AI. Let's go. Here is the problem. Take a look at this floor in my interior scene. See how the wood patterns keep repeating every few meters, the same knot, the same grain. Your eyes start pick it up immediately. So the whole render starts to feel fake. This is what we want to fix. The fix is a 3-step workflow. We export the tiling texture from Unreal, run it through a free ComfyUI workflow I built, and bring the seamless PBR maps back in. In Unreal, locate your texture, right-click, choose Asset Action, and export it. I'm gonna drop it in Downloads. I already have a file, so I'm gonna override it. Now, we will jump into ComfyUI. If you've never used it before, don't worry, I will drop a full workflow file in the description. And you all have to do is just load it up. No notepad wizardry needed. Take the texture you just exported and load it into the input node up here. Down at the bottom, you will see 2 prompt boxes, positive and negative. The positive prompt describes what you want. In this case, seamless tileable wood planks flooring, natural cathedral grain pattern. The negative prompt tells us AI what to avoid. Seams, visible edges, perspective view, watermarks. Both prompts are pre-filled in my workflow, so you can leave them or take to taste. Now hit run. The workflow does 2 things in sequence. First, it generates a seamless tileable version of your texture using a circular VA trick that makes the edge wrap perfect. Then it passes that through a code model, which is a PBR estimator. Code analyzes the seamless base color and output the normal map, roughness map, and metallic map. Takes about a minute on a decent CPU. So go and grab a coffee. Back in Unreal, drag and drop all 4 maps into the content browser. If you want, you can right-click and create a material and assign the related maps like base color, normal, roughness, metallic, etc. But in this case, I'm only gonna take the base color. So in the data frames material of the flow, I'm gonna open it and switch the base color. So finding the base color and swapping it into the new texture slope. That's it. You can see no more tiling, no more visible repeats. The grain flows naturally across the entire flow, exactly how real world would clip. Same texture, completely seamless, fixed in one post. Now, this is a basic seamless workflow. If you want to take it to a next level, like Nanite tessellation, displacement, multi-layer material blending, the kind of stuff that make your floor look photoreal up close. That's a deeper rabbit hole. I'm dropping a full video on it soon. If you want the full ComfyUI workflow file, it's free. Links in the description. If you want to actually master interactive ArchViz and PBR texturing in Unreal end-to-end, my course is open at beyondtheviewport.shop. Subscribe so you don't miss the Nanite tessellation video next week. I'm Jay, this is Beyond the Viewport. See you on the next video.